Jerry, how are these numbers showing us that all boats won't float?
Well, look, the worst performers by far, the big losers, were department stores and apparel stores. In fact, over a 3-year basis, when you look to the pre-pandemic June compared to this June, sales were actually negative, down in department stores during a period when retail sales as a whole were up 32%. So that's a massive loss of market share. Sometimes we kind of lose things with the puts and takes over, during the pandemic, 1 year after, et cetera. But basically, the trends from before the pandemic are being even exaggerated by what's going on. So let's take a look at e-commerce. E-commerce sales are up 64% versus June 2019 before the pandemic. So that's double the rate of growth of retail sales as a whole. So department stores, mall-based apparel stores, companies that never really fixed their strategy. We saw that with Gap. We saw that with Bed Bath & Beyond. When we take a look at their results, those companies are going to be in a world of hurt as we go forward from here.
But I'm a little confused because Amazon's way down, right? And investors seem to have largely backed away from that pull-through narrative during the pandemic that we got all years worth of growth in just months, and this has accelerated us toward the future. The stock auction in Amazon suggests, well, maybe not. And yet Prime Day was very strong, historically strong, even as department stores are down. What should investors take from that?
I think e-commerce is here to stay, and it's growing very, very rapidly. And, I think Amazon kind of got a bad knock. They reported first. They are on a calendar year, or the other retailers are on a retail year, so it's a month off. So Amazon reported first. People said, oh, my gosh, look how terrible Amazon did in the first quarter. And then we heard from Target, and then we heard from Walmart, and so many others who really demonstrated even greater problems, than Amazon showed. Meanwhile, Amazon, they overbuilt their capacity. There's no doubt about that. But that means they have room to grow. They have headwind. They have tailwind. They're going to keep growing. So I would never bet against Amazon. I thought that was a mistake when people were doing it. I think it's a mistake now.
Jerry, let's turn to some of the winners here. Very familiar names, Costco, but maybe the likes of TJX and Home Depot are a little more controversial. You think they're going to come out of this fine?
I do. Look, Home Depot was strong before the pandemic. They were incredibly strong during the pandemic, and they're still strong. I think they're a big winner over the long term, capturing, again, massive market share, which in retail is everything. TJ Maxx, they didn't have the strongest pandemic because let's face it, their stores is where the action is, not online for them. But now that they're open again, they're going to come back. Their market cap is still more than the entire department store industry combined. All of them are worth less than TJ Maxx, and they're where the consumer wants to be. Value is the name of the game. It always has been, but it's especially so during times of high inflation and maybe the kind of problems we're going to see with the consumers who get to the back half of the year. So a company like TJX is very well positioned, as would someone, for example, like Dollar General be. Even Target and Walmart, who obviously disappointed with the way they handled the last quarter, are going to do a lot better when we get to the second half of the year.